Nupur Sharma, who was always in frame post her derogatory remarks against Prophet Muhammad, is today given with gun license for defense. Nupur Sharma had requested the police for pistol claiming death threats. In June, Sharma along with her family was given with security cover when she stated that her remark on Prophet have led to targeted hatred and harassment on her. Post nationwide protest and a strong criticism from Islamic countries, Sharma was suspended from her position in BJP. She has also apologized, stating her intention was never to hurt anyone's religious sentiments. We usually check the plea, see the criminal records of the applicant and check the background. Once everything is done, we check the threats and then issue the license. For now, she is allowed to carry one gun for her safety, said an officer on granting the license.